Guys.
Hey man, what's up?
Sorry, man. Do that.
Sorry.
I think kick you out of the club,
I'm
man.
just drunk as a skunk.
Yeah, that Gojo.
Oh
really
man,
good to
it's
you.
really doing something, Mommy.
I got a confession.
Oh yeah, what's that? We don't confess things, we tell them.
I killed the purple unicorn.
You did what? How dare you? You're out of the club! Get out of here!
No, I made this go.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Okay, fine. I'll kick you into the club. Oh, shut up! Nobody likes you either.
Man, that guy that was in our club, I mean, he was huge. I mean, he could take out anybody, but man, he was the dumbest guy I've ever met. He thought 2 toothpicks equaled 24 toothpicks. Like, what the heck, man? Everybody knows it equals 22. Man, I'm glad he's out of the club, aren't you? Yeah, me too. Let's go kill him. Let's go track him down and kill him. Alright, let's go. Let's go kill him. We got a runner! Let's go!
Okay.
Come on, this way. You ready, man?
There's 2 guys.
No way.
Trying to kill
Are
me.
you serious? Where?
I've got guns.
Where? Hey, man. Where'd he go? He's gone! Come on, let's go back. I can't believe he got away. I mean, he killed a purple unicorn. Like, how bad is that? You know? I mean, nothing beats killing a purple unicorn. You know? You know what I mean? Just outrageous. Wish you could have shot him. That's him. We'll get our revenge, right? Stop, man. Hey, good. Hey, that's it.